Hey there, welcome to the Super Lemon free Shopify store creation tutorial. And in this video, you will learn how to create your store in Shopify and step by step and in the easiest way. Alright, so let's dive into the shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. Just enter your email address here. And now you can create a password. And edit this part, which is the URL of how your free Shopify domain name will look like. So let's say, and then create your store. Alright, in this part, you can easily skip it and fill in the information that are needed. Alright, so once you've done entering the address, click enter my store. And now what you're seeing is the Shopify back office or the Shopify dashboard. And let's go to the sidebar and click the online store. So here we will choose a nice theme for a brand. Oh, Shopify has free themes you may choose from. Let me choose the debut theme. Right, just waiting for it to be completely installed. Cool. Next is we will customize this. Now, this is important because this is how your store will look like. All right. As you see in the side, there are many sections that you can edit and remove. For example, this collection list, testimonials, map, and you can just easily drag it if you want to put it up. All right. But we're going to use only the sections that are the basic one for this theme. All right, so we can hide the other sections here, and we'll have to drag this section. First is we will add a top bar message. You can also announce any promo here or any discount code for your store. All right, let's go to header. And put any text that you would want. Next would be we will add our logo here. Guys, here's a tip. If you want to create your own logo, just go to canva.com. It's so easy to use, and they have logo templates which you can set as preference, and there's no need in any professional skills in Photoshops, and that would be easier for you. Now let's upload the logo that we have, and since my logo is green, I want to also edit the bar color. What this should be green, right? All right, for the main menu, this menu over here are all good, so we don't need to change that. But if you have a lot of categories for you, so I'll just leave it there. Next would be this image here. We're gonna add some image which I get from this free images here, and click that and then select. All right, and for the heading, you have an option as well whether you will put a text over here or just leave it blank. Then we can add our button. The button label would be shop now, and for the button link, it will show up if we only put a link over here. So let's say products, let's click products, all products, and save. Okay, cool. All right, so for the collection list, is we have to go to the back office on where we could create the collections. All right, so now we are in the back office and we're gonna create the collections. But before that is we have to add our product first. Okay, just go to all products, then click add product. This is where you will put the product title. Okay, for example, I'm gonna copy a product from a different store or like from supplier. This is for the title and for the description. All right, now this is where we will put our product image. Right, you have the option to add the file from your computer, or also you can just add the, add the product image by link. So for example, this this product image here, I want to copy it. So right click and just copy image address and paste the image URL. Cool. Next would be the pricing. Let's say it's 24.99. And if you want to show your product as on sales, you have to fill in the compared price. Of course, it should be higher from the pricing here. So let's say it is 34.99. And now you have an option as well is if you want to charge your customer for a tax, or you can just, uncheck this box if you don't want it. Cool. And next would be the inventory. In the track quantity, you have to add your inventory, and Shopify tracks every time one product is sold, and it is also an indicator if an item is sold out. All right, so meaning once the quantity is zero, the product can't be added to cart by your customers. But if you uncheck the track quantity numbers, it won't matter here, and your product still be available in your website even if the inventory is zero. So let's just leave it unchecked. And for the options here, if your product has different variation, for example, it has a different color. So let's choose color. Next would be, for example, it's gonna be black and red. And let's click it, done. All right, so once everything is set up here, you can also add here the collections manually if you want it. And let us set this as active and click save. Now that we're done with the product, let's go to the collections. Just click the collections and create a collection with this green button here. This is where you will sort out your products for specific category. So for example, your store is a general store and you want to sort only the pet products, then you can create a collection for those type of products only. Let's say I want to call my collection as Love for Pets. And for the collection type, I would choose manual. Well, the automated one, you can also check this. I may also choose automated, but you must apply the conditions here per product, which is relevant for the collection. And once done, save it. Okay, great. So now if you want to add products in this specific collections, you just have to browse. So for example, I have already products here for a pet product. I'll just click that and then add. And this should go to this category. Now let's go back to the theme customization and click the section for the collection list. And let's just use 3 per row. Let's name it as best for our collection. Okay, and click this one. Select collection. Let's say I want to choose the health and beauty. Alright, so let's go to the featured collection. And usually what we do here is the best selling items. So let's select the best selling one. So I just created the collection for the best selling. And this is where you can also choose how many products per row. For example, I want to have 3 products per row, and that's fine. And you can also check it in mobile and how it looks like. Okay, this is great. It looks great in mobile. So let's go to the footer and let's add the legal pages in this sections, which is called quick links. All right, from the quick links is we have to go back to the back office and go to the settings. Click policies, and usually this part here are blanks, so what you have to do is you just click this button, and once you click that, it will be generated, right? And then just save it. The next thing we're gonna do is we will go back to the sections here for the online store and click the navigation. Now for the navigation, this is the footer menu. Just click the footer menu and add menu item. Click links and click policies. Privacy policy, then add. Same as for the rest. And now save it. And now let's go back to the customization. And now we see the policies and the links over here. Alright, so for the footer, as you have the option as well to choose the background color for this theme. And let's match it with the header color that we have. And for the text, let's make it as white. That looks nice. So beside the quick links is this page here or this area. What I'm gonna do is just have to put information for my contact support or for my customer support. We can also show the payment icons over here. That looks better. Okay, let's go to the theme settings and go to checkout. So in order for us to preview the checkout, this we just have to um, add one product here. So I have added one product and go to checkout. Alright, so this is the checkout preview. As you'll see, you will just have to click checkout from the theme settings, and there's custom image. Just click select image and select the logo that we have. Alright, and for the button, you just have to click that and match it with the logo that we have. Let's save it. Alright, so guys, you can also customize the colors for your theme to match your logo or to match your brand. Just go to theme settings and select colors. This text here should be black. as I prefer. And for the secondary labels or borders, that's gonna be green as much as my logo. And the text would be green as well. So let's check how my product will look like. All right. And that looks fine. Alright, so once you have fully customized the theme, you will have to set up these first in the back office before you can publish the store and to start taking orders. For the domain name, go to the setting and click the domain at the side and choose buy button. This is where you can check the domain name you prefer if it's available, and the prices are below. Next would be the shipping and delivery. So if you want to offer free shipping to your customers, is you just have to go over here and it depends as well if you are shipping for a specific country only or you are shipping worldwide. So for example, I'm gonna delete this zone here and I want to offer a free shipping for my product. I'll just have to set up my own rates. The rate name would be standard shipping, and that's gonna be 0 because we're offering free shipping. Now that's done and click save. Alright, so the next one will be the payments. If you are from United States, you can complete an account setup for Shopify payments and that will be easy. Alright, it is just a quick overview in here. And also for PayPal, you can set up your PayPal by connecting your email address over here. Alright, so that's it. If this already set up, your store is ready to accept payments. And now the next thing that we're gonna do is we will have to disable the password. And in order to disable the password, you must select a plan. And here are the plans of Shopify. For a beginner, basic Shopify is a good plan, so you can choose this plan. And once you pay for that plan, is you can disable the password. You may also go to the preference to disable it and uncheck this box. Then click save. And now that means that your store is live and is ready to take orders. Let's check what the store looks like. Alright, so we just created a nice store, and that's how easy it is to create the Shopify store, and as quickly as that. In case you haven't know yet what to do before you jump on creating your Shopify store, is you should know what kind of store you're gonna be making. So if it's a niche store or a general store, and you can come up with the name of your brand later on. Anyways, you will learn these things in our channel, so please subscribe for you to be updated. And if you have any questions, please comment below and we will answer that as possible as we can. So good luck to your Shopify journey and thank you for watching.